Okay, here's my hour 5600 Ford with the top cover off. That rod right here, this is with the lift in the up position. In the down position, you see it does move back. Originally, this was staying stuck in. And with the lift in the down position, when I crank the tractor up and move the hydraulics back to the tractor from the front end loader, the lift would go up, even though the lever was in the down position. You can move the draft anywhere you wanted to, really didn't make any difference. So I broke these two bolts loose right here and slid this back, and I noticed this thing finally broke loose when I started tapping it a little bit with a screwdriver. It slid back and got free. I sprayed it with a little WD-40 and I noticed it was squirting oil out of here. Well, when I broke this loose, I noticed a little bit of water run down here. Well, this tractor has had a lot of water run through it from the gear shift leaking. It's getting ready to get the oil changed again. But anyway, that's what appears to have been stuck. And it wasn't, when this would go back, this was staying in and this was just flopping around. And now that this moves back, this will go up against that. Before it was just kind of floating, you might say. But anyway, that's what I found wrong with mine. I hope this helps somebody. Oh, and by the way, there's a pipe right here that goes in through the side of the transmission. Hang on, I'll show you where that goes, because I broke that. Oh, I'm getting old. It comes out right here. Another guy that was trying to help me out was telling me it was this one under the oil filter, but it's not, it's this one. And I'll show you what that looks like. It's over here. This was supposed to be up here. This is what happens when you don't take it apart right. And I don't know what I did with the nut off the top of it. What did I do with that nut that was up there? The one that I took out the end of this. Well, probably lost it. Or it may be around here. Yeah, here it is. This is the nut assembly that was on top of it. This went on from this side, right here. This was screwed up through that valve over there on the side. So this is how not to take one off. You notice this bowed. I'm sourcing the parts for that now if I can find one. So anyway, I hope this helps somebody. Catch you later.